Hello and welcome. In today's video I want to show you how to migrate Windows from one drive to another. Let's go. For example, let's say Windows is currently installed on one of your drives and you have decided to upgrade your SSD to a newer one. If you reinstall Windows from scratch, it can take a lot of time. Installing the operating system, drivers, configuring settings, etc. Fortunately, using special software, we can save all of that time. The app called EaseUS Disk Copy. Go to the official site, all links will be in the description, and press here free download. Open the downloaded file, install the app, then open the app, and here is the menu. Alright, for example, I bought a new SSD and want to migrate my existing operating system to it. How can I do that? Let's find out. First, the SSD you plan to transfer everything to should have the same capacity or a larger one. In my case, I have two SSDs with a capacity of 238 GB each, which are already connected to my PC. If you haven't connected your new drive yet, shut down the PC and do so now. Let's go ahead, open the app, and here as you can see we must select a source disk and a target disk. The source drive is a drive from which you want to migrate the operating system to another drive. The target drive is a drive to which you want to transfer your data. Press select the source disk. In my case, this is that SSD. Smart Buy with 128 GB of capacity. It has two partitions and it has some data on it. So I press select. If you don't know which disk Windows is currently installed on, you can choose System mode. The program will detect the disk automatically. Then we need to select a target disk. In my case, let it be one of my test SSDs, X-ray disk with 256 GB of capacity. I press select, then press next. And now we have several options out of it the disk. We'll expand the partitions to use the full capacity of your drive, while the copy as the source option will keep the same partition sizes as they were on the source disk. And the third option allows you to manually configure the partitions. In my case, I will use the copy at the source option. Then press proceed. Also be very careful here, because the data on the target disk will be erased. Then press continue. Now wait until it ends. The time depends on the capacity of your disks. It's done. Here you can also automatically adjust the boot order to boot from the current target disk, but I will set it my save later. Then press reboot. Now we must get access to the boot menu. In my case, I have MSI motherboard, so during startup I should press F11 button. And now we need to select our new SSD. In my case, this is X-ray disk with 256 GB of capacity. So I press enter. And now we have a complete copy of the entire operating system with installed programs, files, etc. And all my data is located in the same place. Alright, let's check the disk partitions. They're exactly the same as they were on the old disk, but my new disk has a larger capacity than the previous one. How can I use the remaining space? I can do it using diskpart. Type diskpart at the search, then run it as administrator. Type list disk, and then select your new disk. In my case, this is disk 1. Then type list part, then type create partition, primary, and press format fs equals NTFS quick. And don't forget to type assign. And now the remaining free space on the disk will appear in Explorer. The program also has other features. For example, using emergency disk, you can create a bootable media, such as USB flash drive, and boot from it on your PC. In the menu you can perform all the same actions that were shown in the video. That's how you can simply migrate your operating system from one disk to another. Fast and efficient, hours saved, privacy focused, no cloud, and responsible technical support available if needed. If you're interested, all links will be in the description. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If this video helps, press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. See you later, bye.